What's going on out there, YouTube fam? It's your boy titanicfeetjack back at you again. I'm hanging out in the barracks, you know. Today we got an early release video for y'all. Before we get started, I need y'all to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, like the video, leave a comment in the comment section, hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you will be notified. Let's get into the shoe. You see the box. It's a Retro 1 box. Let's go ahead and read the label. See, it's Air Jordan 1, Retro High OG, color black, white, and game royal. Yeah, it's a real good sneaker right here. Let's get into it. Yes, the royaltoe ones. Yeah. Some people may get this a little confused with the frags, but these are not the frags. These are the royaltoe retro ones. Due to come out May 9th, this upcoming Saturday. I managed to get my hands on a pair a little early. Let's take a closer look. We have that soft black leather on the mud guard. We have the white color blocking with the black Nike swoosh. We have a white midsole. We have that royal blue outsole. We have the branded Air Jordan in white. Let's look at the heel. Nice leather. It's not as tumbled as most of us would have liked, but it's still some nice leather. Here the blue leather is really tumbled. Let's make sure y'all get a good shot of that. It's real tumbled leather up here. Nice and tumbled. We'll look at the inside of the sneaker. We have some black leather with the black Nike swoosh. It's actually, the leather is actually smooth. We have that white color blocking with the white midsole. We have that smooth black leather again on the mud guard. We have the toe box. The leather on the toe box is real tumbled. I wish this leather was displayed throughout the entire shoe, but the toe box is, a lot of people put emphasis on the leather on the toe box. We're gonna move up the sneaker. There's the tongue. And the Nike Air black leather tab with white. Came with an additional pair of laces, the royal blue laces. How you guys gonna lace them up? You gonna keep it with the black laces that it came with, or you gonna switch them out to the royal blue? Let me know in the comment section. Let's look inside the sneaker. We have a black midsole with the Nike Air and royal blue on the inside. This sneaker retailed at $170. Again, it's coming out this Saturday, May the 9th. Don't sleep on this shoe, guys. This shoe will sell out. A few retailers that's gonna be selling this shoe is all your foot sites: Champs, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, Champs, Hibbett, Chic. Make sure you enter your raffles with Chic and Hibbett and all those other stores. Shoe Palace is another store, but that's a different store. Tell me what you think of the shoe, guys. Let me know what your plans is for this Saturday when this shoe comes out. Let me know if you're gonna grab the shoe or you're gonna pass on it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.